In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install GIMP plugins. By the end, you'll know exactly where to put plugin files, how to handle different download types, and how to make them show up inside GIMP so you can start using them right away. Start by downloading the plugin you want from a trusted source. Many GIMP plugins are shared as different file types, and that's normal. You might see a compressed .zip, a Python script with a .py extension, a script view file ending in .scm, or even a Windows installer with a .exe. Before you download, make sure the plugin is compatible with your version of GIMP and your operating system to avoid any loading issues later. If the plugin comes as a .zip, extract it first. Right-click the zip file and choose Extract. After extraction, you should see the actual plugin files or a folder that contains them. What you don't want to do is copy the zip itself into GIMP's folders. Always use the extracted contents. Now, let's locate the correct plugins folder from inside GIMP. Open GIMP, then go to Edit, Preferences, Folders, and select Plugins. You'll see locations listed there. Click the user folder entry and choose Show File Location. This opens the exact folder where GIMP expects your personal plugins. Using this path ensures GIMP can find your files without extra configuration. With that folder open, copy the plugin files you extracted or downloaded and paste them into this plugins folder. If the plugin came as a single .py or .scm file, place that file directly in the folder. If it came as a small collection of files in its own folder, keep that folder structure together and copy it as is into plugins. Avoid leaving the files buried inside multiple nested folders created by the zip. They should be right where GIMP can see them. Once the files are in place, restart GIMP. Close it completely and open it again so GIMP can scan for new plugins. After it restarts, look for your plugin in the menus, most commonly under Filters or Tools, depending on what the plugin does. If you don't see it, double-check that you copied the correct files, that you didn't leave them zipped, and that you use the User Plugins folder shown in Preferences. Compatibility matters too, so confirm the plugin supports your GIMP version. That's it. Download, extract if needed, place the files in the User Plugins folder, and restart GIMP. You're ready to enhance your workflow with new tools and effects.